Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be using cheapest watercolors and try to paint realism with them. I have these DOMS watercolor set. This costs 20 rupees per pair. So let's get started. I am using Brush Pro 160 GSM sketchbook. I have prepared a pencil outline of an eye using a normal HB pencil. I am using a mixture of red and orange which will create a base layer for the entire painting. First, I am starting with the areas that needed to be darkened. Now smoothly blending these two reddish lines using water only. The base layer is halfly done and I am using a brownish shade to make it more darker. Here you can remember that using a black color in a watercolor painting is not that much preferred. So you can use a brownish shade. Now it's time to paint the eyeball. I am using grayish blue color for it. It will be great if I use grey color for the white areas of the eyes. Using a thick rounded brush can help you to blend colors. This is the thickest brush I have and it holds a good amount of water, which is really a good thing, isn't it? Okay, so the painting is nearly done. I am using this white correction pen for the final detailing. So it is a pretty good outcome for the cheapest paints. Beginners can try this to improve their skills and all, and you don't need any expensive art supplies at the beginning stages. Supplies don't matter but your skills do. Thank you and subscribe for more.